Hi friends. Today we are going to make a remote controlled car with Arduino and a Bluetooth module obviously. So for making it we will need a model like this. You can also make it by yourself or you can use a ready-made one and attach two motors to it. A Bluetooth module you can use any L298N motor driver, a 9-volt battery. You can use rechargeable or non rechargeable, but I recommend rechargeable or battery pack, a connector for the 9-volt battery, and obviously an Arduino Uno, a screwdriver, some wires, and a pair of scissors. So now let's connect our car to our L298N motor driver. Now let's connect the Bluetooth module to the Arduino. Make sure that you have connected the TX pin of the Bluetooth module to the RX pin and the the TX the RX pin of the Bluetooth module to the TX of the Arduino, and the ground pin of the Bluetooth module to the to the ground pin of the Arduino, and the voltage pin to the voltage pin of the Arduino. I mean, it's written VCC on the Bluetooth module, but it's volt. And one more thing, you can't transfer codes to the Arduino if the TX and the RX pins are connected. Now let's power the Arduino. For powering the Arduino, we are using a battery pack, or you can also use a power bank. That's a good option, but that can be a lot heavy. So we are using a battery pack. Make sure that when the Arduino is powered, the Bluetooth module is also turned on. Remove the battery so that it is not wasted. Now let's connect the Arduino to the L298N. You can take four pins and connect it to the pin 8, 9, 10, and 11 of the Arduino, and then connect it to the L298N. Make sure it's straight. Easy. Now let's connect the ground pin of the Arduino to the middle pin. The middle pin of the L298N, and also the brown wire, the black wire of the connector, which is the ground one, and the voltage wire of the connector to the left pin of the L298N. Something like this. And then try connecting to the 9-volt battery and make sure it's powered on. It will look nice at night. Now, for controlling our car, we will need this app, Arduino Bluetooth controller. This is a nice one. And make sure that you have paired the Bluetooth module. It will only pair once it's powered on. The device can be the password can be 1234 or 0000. Now let's open our app. Make sure it's connected. And then now let's go to the controller. The controller looks something like this. The up arrow is for going forward. You have to click the up arrow and the triangle to make it go forward. The and the right arrow for going it for let it go right, and the left arrow for let it go left, and for backward the down arrow and the circle. Now let's see the configuration. Copy paste this in your app. The demo of our car. If you have any doubts related to this, you can put it in the comment box. The codes for this project are there in the description. You can copy paste it in the Android app Arduino Droid if you don't have a laptop, and Arduino IDE for the desktop coding.